Jet Aviva is pleased to present this 2020 Special Edition Arrivi Cirrus SF50 G2 Vision Jet, serial number 227. Enjoy the improvements of the G2 aircraft from FL310 with longer range, payload capability, and much more. This Vision Jet comes complete with safe return, auto land installed, and Jetstream paid through December 18th, 2023 and 610 hours. Please visit the Jet Aviva website link in the video description for complete details on Vision Jet serial number 227. Thank you for joining us on this tour, and welcome aboard.